On my 50th birthday, I decided I wanted to change everything, which is not uncommon for 50-year-olds. And so I sold everything I owned, all of my original samples, my furniture, everything that I collected through the years. And I decided that I needed to have more empty space, less things. And in order for my creativity to have room, I needed to have some clarity in my environment. So it's 25 years later, and I am still very, very much committed to that type of a life. I've created some furniture that's very minimal, that I've been living with for a while, and I really thought that it felt very modern to me, very relevant for our time, easy to live with, easy care, very sort of transformable, and I absolutely love the ability to create space for different times and different experiences in my home, and it can be done very easily. And recovering, cleaning, all of that is part of it. So this pillow, the thing about pillows is you absolutely know that if there's a pillow, you're going to be relaxed, you're going to feel really good and sort of rested or calm. And so I think that through a pillow, you can really sort of transmit a relaxed state. So I think we need this a lot right now.